Did you call it?
We were trying to record it for back to the topic.
Go.
Okay, renal capsule is the outside layer.
Okay, we're gonna borrow the
hilus.
reproductive.
Okay.
You can just come back when you're.
The hilus
It was
is where
at
the
the
blood
correct-
vessels
the
come in and
area you're
out.
looking for.
They're showing you right now.
The cortex is the light outer pink layer.
Oh, I know.
The renal columns is the white in between the renal pyramids. The renal pyramids make up the darker pink layer, which is the renal medulla. The renal papilla is at the tip of each pyramid, which drain into the minor calyx. Two minor calyxes come together to form a major calyx, and then this is the renal pelvis. So then we move to the nephron. So the whole thing, the whole structure here is a renal corpuscle. The capsule on the outside is the Bowman's capsule with the visceral layer adhering directly to the vessels, and then the parietal layer on the outside. The glomerulus is going to be the vessels, the blood vessels inside. The capillaries. The afferent arterioles is going to be this one here, the thicker one. The efferent arteriole is going to be this guy here. The proximal convoluted tube is going to be on this middle guy here. So it's where it gets all squirrely. And then it descends into the loop of Henle. This is the descending limb. This is the ascending limb. The ascending limb goes into the distal convoluted tubule. The vasa recta is the blood vessels traveling in the medulla. So all these red ones. The juxtaglomerular complex is going to be this structure here with the big green one. The macula densa is the cells lining the juxtaglomerular complex.
The larger cells.
The larger cells. The granular cells or the juxtaglomerular cells are inside the afferent arteriole. And then this is the collecting duct. Okay, then we're going to go to the blood supply. Do we have enough space?
Go ahead.
Okay, so you have your renal artery here. That splits into segmental artery. The segmental artery goes to the interlobar artery, which goes across the pyramids to the arcuate artery here too. Then you have your cortical radiate arteries, which are these guys here.
Veins.
And then this guy here. And then your afferent arterioles over here. So this guy. And then your glomerulus is the blood vessels inside the corpuscle. And then you have your efferent arteriole. And then you have your peritubular capillaries, which are all these guys here.
Including the blue?
Yep.
Capillaries up to the side.
And then the interlobular veins, or the cortical radiate veins, are going to be this guy here, and then the blue, and then the blue. Goes back to the arcuate vein, and then the interlobar vein, arcuate, interlobar, and then it goes back to the segmental vein, and then the renal vein. That's everything. Yeah, not